along State Route 1104 in Lexington.
I was coming this direction over the hill, coming this curve.
Around 10 in the morning.
There was no time to do anything.
Roy Jackson on his way home.
He was probably already 2 to 3 foot in my lane.
Another driver coming right at him.
I swerved to miss him.
It all happened so fast.
I could hear the metal just, the metal against metal sound as it went down the side of the vehicle.
The collision forcing Roy off the road.
If I don't jerk the steering wheel, he's going to hit me head on.
Neither driver seriously hurt. Highway Patrol called.
Officer May said that the debris field clearly indicated that he was in my lane when he struck me.
Roy's truck taking a beating. The other driver admitting fault. A citation issued.
He stated to the officer he was reaching in the back of his vehicle to adjust a load in his truck.
A couple days after the crash, Roy calls the other driver's insurance company to file a claim.
Originally, they said, we're waiting for further investigation.
A few weeks passing, Roy's still waiting.
I called the Highway Patrol and the clerk of court, and they said, well, he accepted responsibility when he paid the ticket.
The case seemingly open and shut. One driver cited an admission of guilt, so why was this claim denied? Roy calls the insurance company. The explanation?
The officer was not there. And I stated, well, you were not either. And they said, that's neither here nor there. We're basing our report accordingly.
If you're wondering how this can happen, look no further than a law that exists in North Carolina and just 3 other states.
They're going to deny any compensation because of such. It is not right.
It's called contributory negligence, and it basically prohibits the award of damages to anyone if they are deemed 1% responsible for the accident. Mike Causey is the insurance commissioner.
It's very concerning to me if we have an insurance company that's taking advantage of our contributory negligence laws just to deny a claim.
In this case, however, the insurance company deemed Roy at least 1% responsible for the crash. Despite a debris field troopers say showed the other driver cross the middle line, an admission of guilt, and a citation issued and paid.
There's no doubt about it. It could be abused by certain insurance companies.
The advantage, Causey says, are lower rates. As for this claim specifically, the Department of Insurance investigated but couldn't help. The insurance company sending us an email stating it reviewed the case based on facts of the accident. As for Roy, he's left with a damaged truck and a feeling the law in this case is to blame. Kevin Kennedy, 2 Wants to Know.
You can help limit your risk by getting comprehensive car insurance. People without the policy could get stuck paying for repairs out of pocket.